Hi everyone, today we are cooking a very traditional British dish, gammon, egg, chips and peas. Now, I can hear a few of you saying, Kev, gammon, egg, chips and peas. Oh, anyone can cook that. Really? Well, in that case, why is it that all these places I've worked, that I've seen them trying to cook gammon, egg, chips and peas, and they can't get it right? Because there's a few things you need to know before you try and cook a proper trad British gammon, egg, chips and peas, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Keep watching. First thing you need is some good old traditional British gammon steaks. You can pick these up from your supermarket, butchers. These ones ready cut. Look at that. Absolutely delightful. Fantastic. 2 gammon steaks. And the secret, which I'm going to show you now, is you're going to have a fatty side. What you need to do, these have been trimmed off and they're quite lean actually. Generally, when you get the fatty side, cut the edges like that. Very simple, this dish, but like everything, you've still got to do it right. And if you're not going to do it right, don't bother. Because someone like me will come along and say, I know that chef doesn't know what he's doing. Don't put it on the menu. If you can't do it right, don't put it on the menu. Simple as that, you know. Don't put things on the menu that you don't know about. Cook something that you know about. There's your gammon steaks, all prepped up. That's it, simple as that, easy. Have a quick wipe down, wash the board, change it if you have to. I'm just going to turn it over on this occasion, but if you want to be really fussy, change the board, get different colour coded boards. I'm only cooking for me and my mum, so. Next thing, potatoes. I'm not going to stand here to show you how to peel and cut potatoes, because if you need to know that, then I'm sure you'll be able to find another channel that specialises how to peel and cut potatoes. Peel your potatoes and cut them into chips. Simple as that. Like that, like that, like that. And like my old man said, if you're going to do a job, do it properly. And for me, fresh chips is definitely the way forward. Voila, job done. Make sure the pan is hot. Bingo. Gammon steaks in the right place. This is simple traditional British food. Nothing complicated about it, but you've still got to do it right. Nice hot pan. Turn the heat right up full. We're about ready to turn over. Look at that. Nice golden brown colour. Fantastic. And the reason why we cut them is so it stops the gammon from folding over and going all over the place. This way, if you cut the edges, it keeps it nice and flat. Next thing we want to do, get some peas on. Frozen peas in boiling water.
of seasoning on the peas. Don't put seasoning on the gammon steaks because they are going to be salty enough as they are. And that's as good as I'm going to take them at this stage. They go on a tray. And they go in an oven, preheat, 160, top of an oven. More to keep warm than anything else. Once the oil is hot enough, in goes the chips. Be careful how you do this because it is hot and it will splash up and burn you. For the moment, all we're going to do is blanch them, and that means not colouring them, but softening them up a little bit. I've turned it up to electric 5 to give it a bit more heat because all those chips going in has cooled it down. So it's now on electric 5. Right, these chips are just about blanched. You don't want to cook them too much because you don't want them becoming soggy and mashed. You just want them so they're just about to turn soft, but don't forget they are going to carry on cooking even when you take them out of the oil. When the oil is hot enough, chips go back in again. These chips are absolutely perfect. Just slightly soft, but not squidgy. The secret here is do not put all the chips in one go. Do half at a time, because otherwise you're going to cool the oil down too much and they won't crisp up. So half at a time. Use your own judgment. Fantastic. And there you have it. Proper chips, real potatoes, crispy on the outside, soft in the middle. Then you put your next lot in. Again, be careful you don't splash because this oil is hot and it will burn you. There you have it, second lot in. There you go, second batch ready. Chips done. Absolutely perfect. You can go down to your local supermarket and buy some frozen chips if you want to make things a little bit more simple. But if you can do fresh chips, absolutely so much better. Make sure you put the pan somewhere safe where someone's not going to knock it over. Some sea salt on there. Sea salt. Give them a shake. Bob's your uncle. Fantastic. Fresh potato chips. Next thing you do, get the egg pan on. Get some oil in there. Always splash your eggs because you don't want them to look runny and snotty. They want to look cooked. Obviously not too well done, but cooked. That's good enough. egg done. Plating up. Nice stack of chips. Get your gammon steak, like so. Finish off with some peas. Now I know there are some of you that will say, Kev, surely you should have a grilled tomato with that. Yes, you should. But on this occasion, there is no grilled tomato. You could also have a bit of grilled pineapple with it. But basically, I'm just showing you how to do gammon, egg, chips and peas, traditional British style. And your wonderful egg goes in the middle. And there you have it. Traditional gammon, egg, chips and peas. Simple, but absolutely delightful. Wow. C'est la vie. Chef's Travels. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully, see you on the next one. Cheers.